Think of this one as trans revisited, because it bears looking at again. Okay, let's give the other side a moment before dropping the hammer. Yo boys, it's Papa for the boys, your six-string slinger of truth, scraping by with a busted guitar and a gut full of let's get real. For you young bucks out there trying to be men in a world that's half lecture, half circus, I'm giving the woke crowd their best shot, making the strongest case for transgenderism I can muster. Then I'm going to torch it with one line. Buckle up, kings, because we're diving into the deep end, but we're coming out standing tall. Here's the best argument for transgenderism. Straight from the playbook of the pronoun warriors, it starts with identity, your core sense of self. Folks who back this say gender ain't tied to your body, it's a feeling. Your truth in your soul. If you're born with XY chromosomes but feel like a woman, or XX and feel like a man, that's your authentic self, and society's got to respect it. They lean on psychology, a real condition, dysphoria, where your body and mind don't align, causing distress bad enough to mess with your life, depression, anxiety, the works. The APA said affirming someone's gender identity through pronouns, hormones, or surgery can cut that distress, lower suicide rates, and help folks live happier. They point to data. About 1.4% of the U.S. adults identify as trans, and they're just asking to live as their true selves, not hurting anyone. It's a freedom thing, they argue. Denying someone's gender identity is like denying their right to exist. They'll say biology's messy, intersex conditions, hormonal variations prove nature ain't binary. So why force people into boxes? Socially, they claim, gender is a construct built by culture, not chromosomes. Look at history. Some ancient societies, certain Native American tribes had two-spirit roles, recognizing fluid identities. Forcing people to stick to their birth sex, they say, is oppressive, ignoring their lived experience. And kids, they're not too young to know who they are. Clinics like the Trevor Project report teens as young as 13 expressing clear gender identities. Affirmation hormones, even social transition can be lifesavers, they claim, citing lower mental health risks when families support trans youth. It's about compassion, autonomy, and letting people define themselves in a world that's evolving past old norms. All right, brothers, that's our best pitch. Freedom, science, compassion, all wrapped in a rainbow bow. Sounds nice till you squint at it, but there's one line takedown. Nature don't care about your feelings. Chromosomes set the stage, and you can't rewrite the script without breaking the system. That's the riff for today, my kings. Trust reality, stay proud, keep it true. Papa for the boys, signing off. Stay sharp, stay real.